we're going to Laughlin right now. It's like 3 in the morning. Kind of late. We're supposed to leave at 12, but it's 3 in the morning. And we're going to Laughlin. Hey guys, made it to Laughlin. It's a video.
Para que digan, mamá, nos vamos a quedar todas.
Hey guys, we just ate some bomb tacos. I'm gonna show you our little room tour. Okay, so first when you walk in, to the right is our restroom, a little toilet, shower, a restroom, and then to keep on walking, it's like a little closet area thing, and then here's the first bed, and then a full body mirror. And then a little like lamp, a little nightstand, another bed. Our clothes is over there. It's kind of messy, don't mind it. And then we have like a little seating area, and then the TV and dresser, AC, and then our view is like a river, but that don't look good. I mean, it's dark right now, so you can't really see anything. But yeah, she's cute or whatever. That's a little room. Our little room tour.
The next day.
Hey guys, day 2 at Laughlin. This is our setup. I can't see.
They're short, like them.
Say hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Say hi. Hi, Nina. Hey guys, my dad's making hamburgers.
Macizado, cumbia caliente para amanecer, bailando pandillado. Cumbia caliente para amanecer, bailando despegado. Baila, delicia.
El secreto no vive de perreo. Luce como candy, cerveza, patula de una perversa. Ey,
Y empezamos sin nada y ahora estamos tan bien. Como Kylo Ren, los piquetes son de enero, como kilómetros en el cielo, no me pueden dar way. Cuando ando por Orlando me cojo hard way. To the top one way, duermo con el traje puesto y uso I'm in the trap with your bae, hit the block with your bae, on the yacht with your bae, getting top from your bae, do a lot with your. No te voy a rogar, no te pienso rogar. Ay, te vamos pasita. Nomás un fin de semana, chiquitita. Si suena yo no la
Guys, game 2. What is it? Pink box donuts in the hotel.
Las Vegas famous.
Chocolate bar.
I have 2, 4, 6, 7 maple bars. You guys like maple bars?
Yeah, pizza.
Let's see.
Oh, it's backwards. Is it open?
The guy sitting here. He wants me in your pocket.
Oh, this one. Oh wait.
It was closed last
You can visit it.
Wait, there is a sign over there.
I opened the box on accident.
Wait, you want to open the door too?
Bye.
That's
No, it doesn't.
No, because last time it didn't work.
Hey guys, we're walking the little pathway now. That's outside. Oh, I don't want. You're cool? Hey guys, we're still walking. I think we're just gonna walk to the other hotel and then we're gonna walk back. Oh, this is the view from our room. What's up, view?
Go back.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. Go back. Hey guys, it's Future Alexia. I'm editing the video right now. I forgot to do an outro. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment other ideas or other videos you want me to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.